When your brand stops resonating with your audience, it negatively impacts every ounce of your marketing strategy. Your products are less inspiring, you get fewer repeat buyers, and your marketing channels just aren't engaging. So when should you consider a rebrand? Here are 4 things to look for. Number 1, audience disconnect. You see fewer engagements on social media posts. You're paying more for traffic that's doing less, and you're seeing less results from the calls to action that you put in front of your customers. Number 2, an outdated aesthetic. There are brands like Ford that haven't changed in decades, but there are others that change frequently to keep up with the times. And those that do show that they are still at the forefront of what their customers care about the most and that they're changing and growing with them. Number 3, it's inconsistent with your values or products. Your market's evolved, your products have changed, and the way that you offer those are different. So why does your brand look the same? Don't you need to reflect something new? And number 4, it's difficult to place in modern channels. There's so many different ways that people consume media now. You need a brand that's responsive and can be used in all of these different contexts, whether it's textures, logo, colors, different elements of that brand that aren't performing well. Adapting to modern media is the key way to stay in front of your customers. If you have more questions about rebranding, check out some of the free resources we have available at Satellite6.com or give us a call. We're always happy to talk about your specific marketing needs for free.